Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, today we are going to know about the shapes.
Hi, I am triangle. I have three sides. I have three corners. It's your police for the cat ice cream. Thank you. Hi, I am rectangle. I have four sides and four corners. My opposite side are equal. Example, blackboard and books. Thank you. Hi, I am a semicircle, which is half of a circle. For example, rainbow. Thank you. Hi, I am a circle. I have no side and no example. Rectangle. Thank you. Hi, I am sphere. I am one curved face and no example balloon and thank you. I have five sides. I have five corners. Thank you. Hi, I have six faces and 12 edges. Hi, I am a cone. I have two faces, one cup and this. Example, Christmas tree and carrot. Thank you. Hi, I have six pen and six spoon. Example, with stone and signboard. Thank you.